I'm going to be walking you step by step through everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing. Take out a pen and paper, get ready to take some notes because this is going to be an A to Z, everything that you need to know about getting started with your affiliate marketing journey. I'm going to be covering the new best practices, the strategies that I use, the best niches, the best products to promote, as well as a few secret tips and tricks that you can use to gain an advantage over the rest of the competition. Affiliate marketing is one of my favorite business models, especially for people just starting out, because you don't need any money to begin. Now, although you can get started completely for free, I recommend you set aside like $100. That way you can get a simple website set up as well as get any other equipment that you may need, such as a microphone or a camera. Step number one, how to find products to promote. Now, every single company out there most likely has an affiliate program. Even Amazon has an affiliate program. Although I don't really like it. I think that the Amazon affiliate program kind of sucks, but I'll get more into that later in the video. So what type of affiliate programs can you promote? There are two types of offers that you can promote: one-time payments and recurring commissions. I promote both of these, but the recurring payment structure is my favorite. If you promote a software or a membership, for example, basically anything where the customer pays a monthly subscription, for as long as they continue to use the product, you will then continue to earn commissions for that as well. So by promoting recurring subscription offers, you can then continue to make commissions consistently month after month. So where do we find these recurring affiliate offers? The first way is just to look at the different softwares that you use yourself. I, for example, use ClickFunnels to set up my website. So let's just go to ClickFunnels and take a look, and boom, they have an affiliate program right there. The second way would just be to go to Google and search for the best recurring affiliate programs in your particular niche. I'll go over the best niches later. In your Google search, just look through the different articles and see what awesome offers there are. Now, you can expect anywhere from 5% up to even 100% commissions. It really just depends on the industry that you chose. However, I noticed that software products usually go around 30%. You can also find products to promote on affiliate networks. Amazon has their affiliate network, but their commission rate is quite garbage. It's like 2 to 5%. I think that there are definitely better options out there. You also have ClickBank and Digistore, but a lot of the products on these websites are supplement health offers. I used to promote ClickBank offers back in the day, but a lot of the offers are kind of sketchy, so you will get a lot of refunds, so watch out for that. Also, since the supplement industry is a little dodgy, you will run into a lot of problems with your social media accounts and your ad accounts as well. I've gotten ad accounts banned in the past, and it's not fun because you lose your entire income. So we now know how to choose the right products. Let's go over the best niches out there. When it comes to choosing your niche, you actually want to pick something that you're interested in. That way you stick with it in the long run. If you don't like your niche, then you're going to burn out. That's what happened to me when I was starting out. Make sure to go with your passion. However, some niches are better than others, so you need to make sure that there is an actual audience for your niche. You can check the search volume for your niche on Google Trends. Typically, you want to pick a niche that is related to wealth, health, relationships, or happiness, as these are the main 4 things that all humans can relate to. You can dive even deeper into the sub-niches. So for example, with wealth, you have online business, you have investing, and you can dive even deeper than that. So for example, with investing, you got real estate investing, stocks, crypto. I would start out narrow and then slowly expand as you start to grow your audience. Now, don't worry if your passion isn't related to any of the 4 big niches. You can still build a business around it, and it actually might benefit you in the long run as you will have less competition. We chose your niche and we have a list of products to promote. But what about traffic sources? How do we get people to our affiliate link in the first place? You have 2 ways to get traffic: paid traffic and free traffic. Paid traffic is a little bit more advanced, so I won't really be covering it in this video, as if you don't really have experience starting out with, you're most likely going to lose your money. I actually started with paid traffic when I began my affiliate marketing journey, and the reason I did that was because I thought that it would be quicker, because I was impatient. I didn't want to mess around growing a free traffic source, and that was the wrong move because I probably wasted more time trying to learn paid advertising. If I just started a YouTube channel earlier, I probably would have grown quicker than trying to learn Facebook ads from scratch. So for this reason, I highly recommend you start with free traffic. Don't make the same mistake as me. So you have a few options for free traffic. Social media is an obvious one. You can go with any of the platforms. Everything works really, but I personally found that TikTok seems to work the best. If you prefer to write though, then you can start a website or a blog. I can't speak much on that though because I get most of my traffic from TikTok and YouTube. So pick a traffic source and work on building your audience in your chosen niche. Now with affiliate marketing, most people will just insert their link in the bio or on their website. This can work, however, there is a more profitable way to do this. Instead of just sending them straight to the affiliate offer, what you can do is send them instead to your own website, which would be an opt-in page. And on this opt-in page, you basically offer something for free in exchange for their email address. Now that you have their email address, you now have a second medium where you can continue to build up the relationship with this person. And you can actually automate this entire email sequence. I go deeper into the specifics of this email sequence in another video. It is called How to Use the 2023 Recession to Get Rich. I will put the video on the screen for you to watch next.